Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English From Afar. Have you ever said something in English and then realized it sounded completely wrong, but it was already too late? Today, Walter and I will fix 10 embarrassing mistakes that even intermediate students make all the time. If you stay with us until the end, you'll choose one mistake to delete from your English in the next 24 hours. Ready? Let's go.
Hi, everyone. I'm Walter. Hi. If you felt that small sting of embarrassment after saying something wrong, you are not alone.
Exactly. We'll move slowly, clearly, and kindly. This episode will show the mistake, why it matters, and a tiny practice you can do right away. No pressure, just progress.
And remember the micro challenge. Pick one mistake by the end of this episode and try to remove it from your English in the next 24 hours. Small action, real payoff.
Okay, short overview. We will cover 10 common mistakes in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. We'll give examples and short practice pauses. You can say the answers out loud or fix them in your head. Pause the episode if you want more time.
Ready for mistake number 1?
Yes. Mistake number 1, confusing he and she. Many learners mix these pronouns, and sometimes it leads to awkward or embarrassing sentences.
Right. He, man or boy. She, woman or girl. Simple but very important. Example: he is my brother. She is my sister. If you swap them, the meaning is wrong and people notice.
Mini practice. I will describe a person. You decide he or she. The person is a woman and she works in a hospital. Answer, she. Say it. She works in a hospital.
One more. The person is your father. He. He is my father. A small tip. Family words usually tell you the pronoun.
Good. Mistake 2. Forgetting the verb to be. Learners often say, I happy or she tired, instead of I am happy or she is tired. That little verb is a glue word in English.
Let's say the forms slowly. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Say them with us, slowly. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are.
Examples. Wrong, I hungry. Correct, I am hungry. Wrong, they late. Correct, they are late. Short practice. I will say the wrong sentence. You add am, is, are before hearing the correct version.
I cold. I am cold. They at home. They are at home. He a teacher. He is a teacher. Nice.
A small story. When I learned a language, dropping to be made my sentences sound like notes. Adding am and is made my speech feel complete.
Same here. Okay, mistake 3. Wrong word order in questions. English moves the verb for questions. That's a common trap.
Same here. Okay, mistake 3. Wrong word order in questions. English moves the verb for questions. That's a common trap.
Practice. Convert the statement to a question in your head. You like music? Do you like music? He is from Brazil. Is he from Brazil? They went yesterday. Did they go yesterday?
Good. One quick tip. In simple present yes-no questions, use do, does. For he, she, it, use does. For example, does she work here?
Mistake 4. Missing S in third person singular. This is small but very noticeable. People say he work instead of he works. We add S or ES in he, she, it for present simple.
Examples. He works. She likes. It rains. If the verb ends in S, CH, X, S, or O, add ES. Watches, fixes, goes. A rhythm helps. He works. She likes. It rains.
Practice. I'll say the wrong sentence. You repeat the correct one. He play guitar. He plays guitar. She watch the news. She watches the news. It need food. It needs food. Good.
I'll add a pronunciation note. The S can sound like S, Z, or is. Don't worry about the technical parts now. Just add the S in speech and writing, and your English will sound more natural.
Mistake 5. Overusing present continuous. A lot of learners say, I am going to school every day, when they mean a habit. Present continuous is for now or temporary actions. Use present simple for routines.
Examples. Routine. I go to school every day. Now, I am going to the store now. Temporary. She is living with friends for a month. Ask, is it now or a routine?
Pairs. Pick the right one. 1. I go to work at 9 every day. 2. I am going to work at 9 every day. Correct number 1. Next, she is reading a book right now. Or, she reads a book right now. Correct, she is reading a book right now. Last, he visits his parents every Sunday. Or, he is visiting his parents every Sunday. Correct, he visits his parents every Sunday.
Mistake 6. Articles. A, an, the. These small words cause big confusion, but simple rules help. Use a, an for one, not specific. Use the for something specific or known.
Examples: a, an, the. These small words cause big confusion, but simple rules help. Use a or an for one, not specific. Use the for something specific or known.
Quick fill-in practice. I have pen. I have a pen. This is an orange. This is an orange. Sun is bright today. The sun is bright today. Good.
Mistake 7. Much and many. Countable versus uncountable. Use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns.
Examples: many apples, many chairs, many friends. Much water, much money, much rice. Wrong: many money. Right: much money. Quick drill: how many bottles do you have? How many bottles do you have? Is there much sugar? Is there much sugar?
If you're not sure, a lot of works with both. I have a lot of friends, or I have a lot of water in a container. That's a safe phrase.
Mistake 8. Prepositions of time. In, on, at. These tiny words tell time and are often mixed up.
Mistake 8. Prepositions of time. In, on, at. These tiny words tell time and are often mixed up.
Practice. I was born May. I was born in May. The party is Saturday. The party is on Saturday. The meeting is 10 a.m. The meeting is at 10 a.m. Memory trick. In equals big, on equals day, at equals exact time.
Mistake 9. Pronouncing final consonants. Many learners drop the final sound. This makes words unclear and sometimes changes meaning.
Examples: want without the t can sound like wan. Walk without the k is soft. Focus on ending sounds like t, d, sus.
Pronunciation. Practice. Repeat after me slowly and feel the end of the word. Want, wanted, wants, like, liked, likes, need, needed, needs, good, good. Try recording and listening. That helps a lot.
Also, put a finger lightly on your throat. You can feel vibrations for voiced sounds like d and z. It's a small trick with a big effect.
Mistake 10. Translating directly from your first language. Direct translation often creates unnatural English. Wrong word order, missing subjects, odd prepositions.
Example: tomorrow I go shop might be a direct translation. In English, we say, I will go to the shop tomorrow, or I'm going to the shop tomorrow. Learn short phrases, not only single words.
Strategy: keep a small notebook of useful chunks. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I'm not sure. Practice those whole phrases until they feel natural.
Okay, quick review. We'll give each mistake and one short example. Try to correct them in your head or say them out loud.
Okay, quick review. We'll give each mistake and one short example. Try to correct them in your head or say them out loud.
Mistake 2. To be. Wrong. I tired. Correct. I am tired.
Mistake 3. Question order. Wrong. Where you are from. Correct. Where are you from?
Mistake 4. Missing S. Wrong. She like pizza. Correct. She likes pizza.
Mistake 5. Overusing continuous. Wrong. I am going to school every day. Correct. I go to school every day.
Mistake 6. Articles. Wrong. He is doctor. Correct. He is a doctor.
Mistake 7. Much, many. Wrong. I have much apples. Correct. I have many apples.
Mistake 8. In, on, at. Wrong. I'll meet you in Monday. Correct. I'll meet you on Monday.
Mistake 9. Final consonants. Wrong. I want to go. Correct. I want to go.
Mistake 10. Direct translation. Wrong. Me no understand. Correct. I don't understand. Better. I don't understand. Very natural.
Mini test time. We will say 3 incorrect sentences. Pause and fix them. Ready? Sentence 1. She go to university yesterday. Pause. Correct. She went to university yesterday.
Sentence 2. He work at 9 o'clock every day. Better. He starts work at 9 o'clock every day. Or he goes to work at 9 o'clock every day. Think about the right verb.
Sentence 3. I am eating breakfast every morning. Correct for routine. I eat breakfast every morning. Use present continuous only if you mean right now.
How did that feel? Maybe a little challenging. That's good. Now, the micro challenge reminder. Choose one mistake from today and try to delete it from your English in the next 24 hours.
Pick something small, maybe the verb to be or the S on he, she, it. Practice it aloud or in writing. Set a small timer. For 1 hour, notice when you use the mistake and correct it.
Homework ideas. 1. Write 5 sentences using today's grammar points. 2. Record yourself and listen for final consonants and the verb to be. 3. Notice these mistakes while watching a TV show or reading a short text.
A short encouragement. Mistakes are proof you are trying. Noticing and fixing one mistake is real progress. Celebrate that small win.
Next episode, we'll cover useful phrasal verbs for A2, B1 learners. Small verbs like turn on, look after, and give up that make English sound natural.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You did well. Please pick your one mistake and try to delete it in 24 hours. And then tell a friend or write it down. Small action leads to big change.
Bye for now. Keep practicing. Stay kind to yourself. And see you on English From Afar.